How to remove a Google account from the Play Store on Android. This tutorial shows you how to sign out and remove a Google account from your device on your Android device. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. From there, tap on the drop-down and select Manage Accounts on this device. At this point, you'll see a list of all the Google accounts currently added to your device. In the next step, tap on the account you want to remove. Following this, tap on Remove Account to begin the removal process. Once done, a confirmation prompt will appear warning you that removing the account will delete all associated data from your device. Finally, tap on Remove Account again to confirm, and the account will be successfully removed from your device and the Play Store. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you remove a Google account from your device, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.